Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the rocker switch in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the right side refrigerator door and remove the rocker switch cover. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the wire access cover. Remove the cover and pull the wires free of the retainers to provide enough slack to detach the rocker switch. Then insert the small flathead screwdriver into the hole to pry the switch free of the bracket. Disconnect the wires to fully release the old switch. To install the new rocker switch, keep the indicator mark facing upward as you connect the wires to the terminals. Snap the switch into place in the bracket and secure the wires behind the retainers. Reposition the wire access cover and thread the screw. Confirm the rocker switch is in the on position, then replace the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.